Shape your child's future with us. We make your child a winner. Do you want to give wings to your child's dreams? Make them successful in a world that's becoming increasingly competitive? For that, you have to spot their talents. Develop high-paying skills at an early age. As parents, you can mold their destiny by helping them with their early childhood development and proper career guidance. We, Lifeline, will help you. Introducing the unique Lifeline Global School Training Program. A team of experts under the leadership of Dr. P.P. Vijayan, a globally acclaimed mind trainer, success coach, psychologist, and an author of 40 personal transformational books. A specially designed course to nurture your wards into future global citizens. Trained teachers and mentors would focus on the child's communication skills, especially international English. They would constantly motivate your child to have high life goals through methods like storytelling and role play. The Little Minds would embrace a growth mindset and develop a sense of purpose. The course entails techniques that help them boost memory power, achieve academic excellence, and develop multiple intelligence. We would train your dear ones in leadership skills to make them stand out from the rest. They would learn how to break limiting self-beliefs and reach for the stars. The knowledge-packed course would address your child's age-specific development needs. It trains them in interpersonal skills. This equips them to build and maintain relationships. They would be taught life skills like problem-solving abilities, emotional management, decision-making, public speaking, leadership, etc. Attending the course would help the children to be responsible citizens. Lessons on emotional intelligence and the value of family relationships will be imparted to them. They would also start practicing the art of gratitude. We offer these and more, which the regular schools do not cater to. 5 days a week, an hour a day, with our teachers and mentors, will open new avenues for your dear ones. The course focuses on the overall development of your child. But detailed attention is given to English mastery, which covers the following 8 topics. International English. Fluency in English. Master English pronunciation, stress, rhythm, intonation in English. Rhythm and schwa in English. Rhythm and melody of English. Accent reduction made easy. Essential English grammar. Word power and mastering root words. Accent neutralization to feel like international English. The course is most apt for students from Class V to Class 9. Parents, remember an early start matters much for your child's success. Let us shape the future of your dear ones together. To register or further inquiries, call. Find out what we have more by logging into our website. All the best.